Have you ever wondered how people create these amazing typography face effects? Most tutorials show you how to apply the effect, but they don't show you where all those words come from. Imagine typing hundreds of words manually, or letting AI generate everything for you in seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate your own custom typography texts with AI, and then turn it into this amazing typography face effect in CapCut. Let's get started.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
The first thing we need is a typography background. Instead of typing hundreds of words ourselves, we're going to let AI do the hard work. Open ChatGPT. Now describe exactly what you want. For example, generate a 4K typography background using hundreds of boxing-related words and phrases. Use a solid black background with mostly white text and a few yellow accent words. Use different font sizes and weights, but keep all the text either horizontal or vertical. Make the layout very dense, with very little empty space. The more detailed your prompt, the better your result. You can generate typography for almost any niche: fashion, news, technology, sports, architecture, or even typography using your own brand name. Once you're happy with the result, download it as a PNG image. Now open CapCut. Import your portrait or video. Then import the typography image you just generated. Place your video on the main track. Now drag the typography image directly above it. Select the typography layer. Resize it until it completely covers the portrait. If you like, you can also reposition it, so certain words appear over different parts of the face. If you're learning something new, drop a comment below and let us know. If you created several duplicates, select all and create compound clip. Now comes the magic. Select the typography layer, click blend, then change the blend mode to multiply. Immediately, the typography blends naturally with the portrait, creating the typography face effect. Adjust brightness and contrast. Adjust the opacity until you're happy with the result. Sharpen the typography. The cleaner the text, the more professional the final result looks. That's literally all there is to it. Here's the original. And here's the finished typography face. The best part is, you can generate unlimited typography backgrounds with AI. Simply change the topic, generate a new typography image, import it into CapCut, apply the multiply blend mode, and you'll have a completely different look in just a few seconds. And that's how easy it is to create a professional typography face using AI and CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials every week. Today's method used AI because it's incredibly fast. But if you'd like to learn how to build the typography background completely from scratch, without using AI, Master It Now already made a full tutorial showing the entire process. Click the video on your screen and see exactly how it's done.